Hey there. Here is a tutorial on how to buy the Xbox Game Pass Ultimate for up to 80% cheaper than the official price. Go to AllDigitalCity and pick your subscription. Fill in your billing details and check out via PayPal or Crido. Done. Now let's find the account we ordered. You can find it in your email or on your account order history. Now let's log into the account to check that the 3 years of Xbox Game Pass Ultimate is activated. As you can see, 3 years of the Game Pass Ultimate was activated on the account. All we have left to do is log into our Xbox is set the account as the home Xbox.